Everybody, it's standard 4th science. Let's start the revision for yearly examination. Okay, question number 1, MCQs. It will be for 25 marks. First number, which of the following give energy? Answer is A, fat. Second number, foods rich in vitamins are called blank foods. So answer is C, protective. Third number, blank helps us to remove waste materials from our body. So the answer is C number, roughage. Fourth number, digestion of food finally completes in, answer is A, small intestine. Fifth number, cooking makes our food, answer is A, tasty. Sixth number, junk foods contains a lot of, answer is A, fats. 7 number, salad gives us a lot of, answer is B, roughage. 8 number, digested food is absorbed in, answer is C, small intestine. 9 number, eggs are rich in blank, answer is B, proteins. 10 number, blank are protective nutrients, so the answer is A, minerals. 11 number, a person becomes fatty after eating too much, answer is C, junk food. 12 number, germs present in the food can be killed by, answer is A, cooking. 13 number, a matter having definite volume but no definite shape is called, answer is B, liquid. 14 number, a matter which cannot flow, answer is A, solid. 15 number, matter is made up of tiny particles are called, answer is A, molecules. 16 number, ice changes into water by, answer is A, melting. Okay, answer is A, melting. 17 number, when sugar is dissolved in water, the water level is, answer is C, remains the same. Okay. 18 number, in sugar solution, sugar is a, answer is B, solute. 19 number, there is or are blank state or states of matter, answer is 3. Okay, so there are 3 states of matter. Okay, answer is C. 20 number, the liquid in which a substance is dissolved in is called, answer is C, solvent. 21st, on heating water changes into, answer is A, water vapor. 22 number, sugar is blank in water, answer is B, soluble. 23 number, an animal that lives in soil is, answer is C, both of these means rabbit as well as earthworm, both are living in the soil, so that is why answer is C, both of these. 25th number, the uppermost layer of the earth that contains air, water, minerals and organic matter is called, answer is A, soil. 26 number, which soil is found in ponds and rivers beds, so the answer is B, clay soil. 27 number, sandy soil mainly contains, answer is A, sand. 28 number, which of the following soil is good for growing plants, so the answer is C, loamy soil. 29 number, which of the following soil is found in a desert, so answer is D. Hello dear students, will you pay attention here on a 29 number? On a 29 number, which of the following soil is found in the desert? So here the answer will be sandy soil. Okay, answer will be sandy soil. Okay, answer will be sandy soil, clay soil not. Okay, so 29 number, please consider the answer is A number, sandy soil. Okay, in the desert we found sandy soil, not clay soil, so the answer is A number. Again I am repeating, answer is A number, sandy soil. Okay, answer is not B number, answer is A number, sandy soil. Okay, now 30 number 30 number, the soil that cannot hold much water is, answer is B, sandy soil. 31 number, strong wind and heavy rain causes, answer is C, soil erosion. 32 number, erosion may also caused by, answer is A, overgrazing. 33 number 33 number, the leaves have tiny pores called, answer is C, stomata. 34 number, the flattened part of the leaf is called, answer is A, leaf blade. Answer is A, leaf blade. 35 number, plant stones plant stores extra food in the form of, answer is B, starch. Answer is B, starch. Okay, 36 number, cactus makes its food in its, answer is A, stem. Answer is A, stem. 37 number, the main source of energy on the earth is, answer is C, sun. Answer is C, sun. 38 number, blank is the parasitic plant. Answer is A, deodar. Answer is A, dodder. Okay, answer is A, dodder. 39 number, which of the following can make its own food? Answer is B, cactus. Answer is B, cactus. 40 number, the color of chlorophyll is, answer is A, green. Answer is A, green. 44 number, blank is the example of natural fiber. Answer is B, cotton. 45 number, synthetic fibers are made from, answer is A, chemicals. 46 number, matter is made of tiny particles called, answer is B, molecules. 47 number, in blank molecules are closely packed. Answer is A, soil. Answer is A, soil. 48 number, the protection of soil from its erosion is called soil. Answer is C, conservation. Answer is C, conservation. 49 number, the topmost layer of the soil is called, answer is A, topsoil. 50 number, growing of the different types of crops in the same field to maintain fertility, it is called, answer is A, crop rotation. Answer is A, crop rotation. 51 number, a leaf is green in color due to the presence of green pigment is called, answer is C, chlorophyll. 52 number, blank is necessary for photosynthesis. Answer is C, chlorophyll. Answer is C, chlorophyll. 53 number, blank are the kitchen or food factories of a plant. Answer is B, leaves. 54 number, blank is the main source of energy of the earth on the earth. So answer is B, sunlight. 55 number, terrestrial plants are the plants that grow. Answer is A, on land. 56 number, plants growing in hilly areas have, answer is B, needle-like leaf. Answer is B, needle-like leaves. 57 number, hot and dry places are called, answer is A, deserts. 58 number, pond wind is a or an blank plant. Answer is B, underwater. Answer is B, underwater. 59 number, which of the following plants have broad leaves with waxy coating? So the answer is water lily. Answer is water lily, A, water lily. 60 number, blank plant has no stomata. Answer is A, tap grass. 61 number, bubble and kikar are blank plants. Answer is C, desert. 62, among the following the underwater plant is, answer is A, tap grass. 63 number, animals that give birth to young ones are called, answer is B, mammals. 64 number, a mammal that can fly. Answer is B, bat. 65 number, most of the mammals breathe through. Answer is A, lungs. 66 number, the process of producing young ones is called. Answer is A, reproduction. 67 number, the yellow substance present in the bird's egg. Answer is C, yolk. Answer is C, yolk. 68 number, the eggs of the reptiles are warmed by the heat of the. Answer is B, sun. 69 number, human beings are. Answer is B, mammals. 70 number, white portion inside the egg is called. Answer is B, albumin. 71 number, under the conditions a moving object can change its direction. So the answer is B, by applying force. 72 number, a ball throw upwards fall down due to. Answer is B, gravitational force. 73 number, friction is blank for writing on a paper. So the answer is B, essential. Answer is B, essential. 74 number, blank is an example of which. Answer is C, X. 75 number, when a force changes the position of an object, blank is said to be done. Answer is B, work. 67 number, bottle opener is an example of. Answer is C, lever. 77 number, a push or a pull is called. Answer is B, force. 78 number, a device that make our work faster and easier is known as simple. Answer is A, machine. Okay, answer is A, machine. 79 number, when the air becomes hot, it becomes. Answer is A, lighter. 80 number, which of the following does not affect weather? Answer is C, moon. 81 number, sea breeze blows towards. Answer is A, land. 82 number, when water vapor condenses on dust particles, they form thick clouds called. Answer is A, fog. 83 number, the purest form of water is. Answer is A, rainwater. 84 number, settling down of mud particles at the bottom of the beaker is called. Answer is B, sedimentation. 85 number, blank is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Answer is B, weather. 86 number, when air moves it is called. Answer is C, wind. 87 number, sea breeze usually occurs during. Answer is B, daytime. 88 number, when the weather is windy, the rate of evaporation of water becomes. Answer is B, faster. 89 number, blank is added to kill germs present in water. Answer is C, A, chlorophyll. Answer is A, chlorine. Answer is A, chlorine. Okay. 90 number, the nearest star to the earth is called. Answer is B, sun. Answer is B, sun. 91 number, the nearest planet from the sun is. Answer is B, Mercury. Answer is B, Mercury. 92 number, the hottest planet is. Answer is C, Venus. Answer is C, Venus. 93 number, an imaginary line running through the center of the earth from the north pole to the south pole is called. Answer is C, axis. 94 number, rotation of the earth causes A, day and night. 95 number, the time period taken by the earth to complete its own rotation is called a solar. Answer is A, day. Answer is A, day. 96 number, the earth is called the blank planet. Answer is B, blue. 97 number, the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves is called the blank. Answer is C, vertical line. Answer is C, vertical line. 98 number, the coldest planet of the solar system is, answer is B, Mars. Answer is B, Mars. 99 number, blank give out its own heat and light. Answer is B, planets. Answer is B, planets. 100 number, the part of the earth facing the sun has, answer is A, day. So dear students, here we have completed our MCQ question number 1. Please make it ready. In the next video we are going to check out the question number 2. Till then you just make it ready this question number A. Okay, thank you.